This To-It skill is in Notebook on graphics and focuses on stretching, sizing, and rotating graphics. This is an integral part of the Notebook program. So let's take a look at this. I have here 6 graphic objects. One is a text box. I also have a clip art graphic, a flash object, a line using the line tool, a auto shape, and a squiggly line from the pen tool. When I select and just tap on one of the objects, you'll see that it has a marquee selection that goes around it. There are 2 handles here. One is the rotating handle, in which I can move around. The other is a size handle, which allows me to size it. I can also click on the object and move it around to any place that I would like to. These others work in exactly the same way. Both the object, the graphic object, and also the flash element. I'm able to change the size of it and I'm able to rotate it. The 3 on the right side act a little differently. When I select the line tool, I notice that it does not have a rotation, but it has 2 size handles on here. This does not change the thickness of the line, it just changes the endpoints of them. So I can move this around either up or down. I can do the same with the other endpoint, with the other handle. I can even move it around to the other side. So you can kind of see why there is no rotation handle with this one. So let me move this up out of the way. Another one is the auto shape. Now the auto shape works in roughly the same way. However, when I move it outside of the diagonal from going from one spot to the next, it will snap its shape and I'm able to change its shape. So for example, I can resize it by going in a diagonal from one corner to the next. But when I go outside of that, I'm able to snap it into different types of rectangles, and then I'm able to size that one more time. When I use a line that I drew with my pen, I still have the rotation that's up here, and I also have the size handle, and if I snap out of it, I'm able to stretch it if I want to. And then if I go back into the sizing, it goes back into the regular proportional sizing. So that's how you can use stretching, sizing, and rotation. Now it's time for you to get to it.